Welcome to this video on the architecture of intelligence. We'll explore the roles of the CPU, GPU, and NPU in modern computing. Your computer relies on three specialized engines: the CPU for general tasks, the GPU for parallel math, and the NPU for artificial intelligence. They all work together. The CPU, or central processing unit, is the brain of your system. It handles complex sequential tasks and manages the operating system. Think of the CPU as a small team of fast race cars, navigating complex paths quickly while carrying vital payloads. While the CPU excels at logic and running everyday software, it faces bottlenecks when handling heavy graphics and simultaneous mathematical operations. 3D graphics require calculating thousands of pixels simultaneously. Because sequential processing can't handle this volume, we need a parallel powerhouse. Enter the GPU, or graphics processing unit. With thousands of smaller cores, it executes massive amounts of calculations simultaneously to render 3D environments. If the CPU is a race car, the GPU is a fleet of delivery trucks. They move slower, but they can carry and deliver thousands of packages at once. The GPU is fantastic for video editing and AI training, but it comes at a cost: high power consumption and significant heat generation. Some devices use an APU, or accelerated processing unit. This hybrid chip combines CPU and GPU functions, balancing performance and cost for tasks like light gaming. As AI runs constantly in the background, we face a power problem. Using GPUs drains battery too fast, while CPUs are too slow. We need a new specialist. That specialist is the NPU, or neural processing unit. It mimics the human brain to accelerate AI workloads with minimal power consumption. The NPU is like a highly specialized factory pipeline. It is designed to perform AI matrix math with maximum efficiency and almost no wasted energy. NPUs handle local smart features like facial recognition, voice transcription, and background blurring, though they aren't meant for general-purpose computing. Finally, while cloud AI uses massive remote GPUs to train models, on-device AI uses the NPU to keep your personal data secure locally. Modern processors are now designed with a unified architecture, merging the CPU, GPU, and NPU onto a single silicon package for better task allocation. Consider a video call. Your system intelligently splits the workload. The CPU handles system logic, the GPU renders the stream, and the NPU manages background blur. The architecture matrix is clear: CPUs for general sequential tasks, GPUs for massive parallel processing, and NPUs specifically for AI acceleration. When choosing your next device, define your needs. Casual users lean on the CPU, creators on the GPU, and mobile professionals on the efficiency of the NPU. Ultimately, these components form an integrated team, balancing speed, power, and efficiency to build the modern architecture of machine intelligence.